Hi, I wanted to do a brief introduction of Chapter 2 for our business communications class. The key things that I want you to pay attention to in this chapter is the actual business writing process, which seems kind of basic, but you'll see when we go through some examples in the chapter how important it is. The first step is preparing, and this is where you really have to think about what is the message, who is my audience, and is this message even necessary? A lot of times, if you think about how many emails you get every day, how many times do you read the email and say, was this even necessary? Did I need to get this email? So that's part of the preparing process. The other thing is then we're going to talk about organizing and what that entails, and then also the finalizing step, which is really important in business because that is where you kind of do the proofreading and you do the revising. And because when you're doing business communication, it is representing either your business or another business, it's really important to make sure that there aren't any errors. The other key thing from chapter 2 that I want you to pay attention to is that it talks about how important it is for the message to be effective. And this isn't something that has to take 2 hours of preparing. You're going to learn how to do it in just a few minutes. And here's some things you want to make sure you're doing to make sure that it's effective. The other thing that is key in business writing is that it's efficient. How can I get this message across in the fewest words possible or with the proper visuals? So hopefully you enjoyed this chapter. I think it's really, really practical.